Hi guys, we're back from Australia. So here are what we got. First is rolled oats. I think it's around 10k per kilo. We bought 1.5 kg, so it's around 15k. And next we have this full cream milk. This is very yummy. It's recommended by my auntie. And my dad told me to buy more, but since I got a limited kilos in the luggage, I just got 1 kg. I think it's around 20k. And this one, ito dinamihan ka talaga because it's very you can find it anywhere, just in Australia. So this one is chocolate spread. I bought 2. I think it's around 15k each. And next we have here, I think it's a perfect match for the full cream. This one is the black coffee. Better with it's better with the full cream, but can also drink just this one. I think it's around 25k, but it's cheap na.
It's cheap na, natapaina ako.
Nakita niya na?
Hindi pa.
And ito finally we got
Wait, uutot mo naman ako.
Team Tam. This is really my favorite dessert.
Pala?
Favorite dessert. Team Tam. I bought 2. I think it's around 5k each. So what else do we have?
May pirata pa.
We also have this. I bought 3 of this. Yes, Australian cookies. I think it's only 2 lang pala. Because I gave to my yaya the other one. I think this one is around 25k. So all in all, last one we have here the chocolate. Last one we have here the chocolate cake for my pamangkin. I think this one is around. This one is around 15k.
Where is your daddy?
Who's your pamangkin?
So shout out to my dad for giving me 1.2 million for this trip. So all in all, we have, I think this one is around 100k. All this pasalubong. So that's all guys. Thank you. See you on my next travel. Bye bye.